girly ka rin ba with glasses like me? Use these lenses from iMargin Lens. Yung ginamit ko ay Star Cocoa. May free case siya pag dumating sa inyo. So let's start the makeup tutorial. Let's use the Radiant Glow from Get Ready With Me. Blend, blend, blend. Next, the Sonny's Face Bronzer. Kung nagtataka kayo ba't base booster ang ginamit ko, ginamit ko yung shade na mukhang bronzer. Next is Get Ready With Me Concealer. Then let's blend this with Makeup Sponge from Miniso. Next is the Eyebrow Gel from Vice Cosmetics. Next is the Eyebrow Pen from Bia. Then, ilagay nyo lang sa gilid ng kilay nyo. Kumuha kayo ng ganyang brush and kumuha kayo ng konting concealer. Then, pat, 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 and blend it. Next naman is the liquid blush from Dala. Next is the loose powder from Get Ready With Me. Then, let's add the eye look from Flower Nose. Highlight these certain areas. Then, gawa tayo ng egg yolk sal. And this is from JMCY. Sobrang mura nito, guys. Then, add the powder blush from Flower Nose again. Curl the lashes and syempre mag-a-add tayo ng clusters. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. 50 pesos lang to sa basket. Then, use the lippy from Lucky Beauty. And this is the final look.